Is the Shiur on Tefilla. We got to the Nosa Avon of Peshiah V'Chata V'Nacheh. We say HaKadosh Baruch Hu forgives Avon, sin, Peshiah, rebellious, Chata, and transgression by mistake. Here we are talking about three types of averot. One averot is Avon. Avon means mizid, on purpose, somebody did something wrong. In other words, on purpose, he ate something that was not kosher. On purpose, purposely, he said Lashon Hara, because purposely he wore shatters. Peshiah means merida, rebellious. Means to say that there was kosher and not kosher. He could have eaten the kosher one, but he didn't eat the kosher. He went after not kosher. There are pleasure in the world that are ostur and mutar. He could have had pleasure that's mutar, but without on purpose. He went after what is against Hashem. That's rebellious. Rebellion. Chata means by sugar, by mistake. He did a sin by mistake. In other words, we might have thought that somebody did something by mistake, it doesn't need teshuva or kapara, but that's wrong. We have parasha of Korban in Torah. All of the chatat, Korban chatat, we bring for an avera sin that we did on sugar. Now, Mefarshim say, why accidental avera needs teshuva? First of all, what does accidental avera mean? Say if somebody forgot today is Shabbat, he did melach on Shabbat, turn on the light. He forgot today is Shabbat, he cooked, he did something. Or he didn't learn the halacha, and that's why, or he doesn't know, that's also. He didn't learn the halacha, that's also. Both are called shogeg. Now, why? He forgot today is Shabbat, what's wrong? See, the point is like this, that if Shabbat was important for you, if Shabbat played integral role in your life, you wouldn't forget Shabbat. The fact that you forget means there is some type of negligence on your side to forget it. And if you don't know the din and the hilchot, you should have learned. You should learn. You should put time to learn, to know it. Umer mutar is not mutar, doesn't become mutar. But if an avera is honest, somebody that did an avera by force, and the halacha is that he is allowed to do the avera by force, then that's a teshuva. But shogeg needs teshuva. Therefore, we say HaKadosh Baruch Hu knows the Avon Peshiah V'Chata. HaKadosh Baruch Hu forgives. Now the question is, why do we use? We have different language for forgiving. Why do we use the word of nose? Nose means two things. Nose means forgiving, and nose means bearing, means carrying, bearing. Now, the Mekubalim explain that when a person does an avera, he creates a malach, evil angel. That evil angel goes out with Baruch who says, you should give me my parnasa, you should let me live, or I go and I consume this person, and I get killed. I get existence through that, because evil, with doing evil, gets its existence. When we do a mitzvah, with that we create a malach, the malach is good, it's tov. And its existence is to expand tov. Therefore, that malach goes to HaKadosh Baruch Hu and makes a plea to Hashem that this person should be able to do more mitzvah. That's why mitzvah, gorel and mitzvah, avera, gorel, avera. Now, what does HaKadosh Baruch Hu tell the malach that comes through our sin and he wants to destroy us? Hashem says, no, I'll punish you, I'll carry you, I'll bear you. Here we see the majesty of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, the greatness of Hashem, the merciness of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, that not only at the time that the person does an avera, sin, he gives him power, he gives him existence. He led him to be moral, to be rebellion against him. Not only that, but even when it comes to malach, the malach, that this malach wants to throw him, HaKadosh Baruch Hu carries the malach not to throw him, and Hashem has given him a chance to do teshuva. That's why it's called nus. Nus Avon Peshiah V'Chata. Therefore, the last three attributes of HaKadosh Baruch Hu is Hashem forgives. Nus Avon Peshiah V'Chata. And now the Persian say Hashem forgives the one, somebody forgives other people. want to be able to be zoche to nuse Avon, it's not enough to forgive. Sometimes you have to bear it. Sometimes you have to carry it. Sometimes you have to have patience. You have to let the person come back to realization. Right now he doesn't understand. Right now he doesn't know. He's not educated. Just like HaKadosh Baruch Hu in Nuse Avon carries the sin. He carries the consequence of the sin. He doesn't let the consequence of the sin to destroy the other person. Sometimes in life, you have to carry the consequence. You cannot just let the world come to an end and make great machloket and great sin and hatred. We don't gain anything. So my Rosh Hashanah always used to say, the world is burning because people want to do the right thing. Person has a lot of right. That doesn't mean that they have to practice right. Like he carries it. He carries the burden of the consequence of mess that somebody created against him. No, we are not better than HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We have to imitate the ways of Hashem. Sometimes we have to carry the mess of other people because of Kiddush Hashem. We have to sanctify the name of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Sometimes we have to carry the mess because the result would be better. We shouldn't do practice all right. What we have to do proper things. Sometimes proper things is that the way that we see the consequence becomes much better. It's that Hashem also should help us to go through Nuse Avon, should be able to carry the burden. And through that, we should be Zuchet to a lot of brachot, blessing of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and everything should go well with our families and all the high strife.